What is the difference between خالص and خلاص? They're different words that are confusing mostly because they sound similar. خالص has 7 different meanings. Pure, completely, not at all, even or equal, paid in full, very, and finished. خلاص can be a bit more tricky to define. It can be used as a filler, it can mean already, it can suggest that there is no turning back, and it can be used instead of the verb to finish. One episode of the Verses series goes over what I thought were the most common usages of both words. It's a 4-minute video that's all in Arabic, and it comes with subtitles and a worksheet to help you practice. Sign up to my Patreon account to support my work and to get access to that series.